Welcome viewer to this segment. Welcome again to Envision, together with Miller's Bee Nexus. Today we are going to show you, once you have constructed the apiary, you need to install what we call the signages. Of course, we know most of the people, they don't include the signages as one of the considerations, but once you put the apiary, you need to have these signages to warn the people not to trespass around the area of the bees. So before we tell you more about the signages, let me take you to South Mogwango, where we delivered 10 hives to our new farmer, and hear from his mouth. Hi everyone, today we are on the ground. We have just visited one of our farmers here in Gusii region. What we've done, he requested for hives, and we have delivered 10 hives.
Thank you very much, Daniel. I am not alone. As you can see, I won't say anything until I've introduced the officer who is in charge of this sub-county in terms of livestock, and I would like to request him, Mr. Mbongi, to introduce himself fully before we continue with the part of this presentation. Mr. Mbongi, please.
Well, as he has said, my name is Mbongi, Livestock Officer, South Mogwango Sub-County. The farmer came to the office with much interest that he wants to venture into this business of beekeeping. As he called the office, we accepted his call, and immediately we came to his farm and went around to find out where he can place the apiary, and then we decided behind his building he has construction going on. The building that he is going to put or to hang his hives. As such, today we have come to receive the 10 hives he had booked with the Envision, and now they are here. Yes. We appreciate the work they have done, because according to us, they are a standard, and we expect the best from what they have brought. That is all I can say.
Thank you very much, Officer. And first and foremost, I was motivated because I live in a green environment, as you can see. I had planted a lot of trees before even construction of the small cottage that we have here. And I just got fascinated by the number of bees which frequented my compound. You can see one of the trees is Alcaria. There are a lot of bees which are surrounding that particular tree, and they are like doing a lot of work. Then I asked myself, we always get honey, but it's the bees which actually make honey. So I started inquiring, is it possible that these bees could actually be domesticated within our compound? And so that we can get better use, make better use of them. So as I kept inquiring, of course I inquired within the vicinity of the area, and I was advised, yes, there are some people who keep bees. But I know that for every system there is an expert. So I could not go and become one of the quacks who is trying to practice livestock farming without consulting the experts in the area.
Yeah, that's true.
So I went to the county, sub-county office, to the livestock department, and I went and make the inquiry. I met Mr. Mbongi, and he explained to me the steps that we have to go through. In the meantime, I kept checking on YouTube, and I checked where is the honey found, who is keeping this, and I found Envision and Miller's Honey. So I contacted them straight away and started asking them about their experience. So together with the government officer and those who are already in the field, which I'm using also for benchmarking from a practical perspective, we started now sourcing the materials. This one was supplied free with the beehives, and the gloves and the suit. We got the technical expertise from Mr. Mbongi on how to construct the apiary, where to construct it, where to site it, and what kind of approaches we will take for us to have the bees kept within my facility, but also the bees should be safe to the environment so that they don't become an impediment to those who are passing by or the livestock. So that is what we are actually doing, and I'm happy that I'm not walking this journey of my passion alone. We are working together as a team. The technical expertise and then the benchmarking farmers who we are using from Nyamira to help us to walk this journey together. And I look forward that the Lord will bless this project, that it will actually become successful for the blessing of the people around this area as well. Thank you very much. Nekwirende umutori obosyo mete yawe siniga kubeka nalioka kiboze kikiganda igoro na here in next to the apiary we have my colleague Alhaji Mustafa Swale Umwiri Mogendi. His work here is to be my partner in terms of the apiculture. So, and as you know, you cannot work alone in keeping bees. You have to work as a team, because while you are doing the construction, the care for the apiary, the care for the bees, and the rest of the management, you need at least more hands. So one of the benefits, apart from getting the honey and others, is to create employment creation. So I believe that within the next few months, we are going to have at least 3 or 4 people employed in this area. And the first one, who is going to be the manager, is Alhaji Mustafa. Mustafa may wish to say hello.
Hello to you. I wish that if these things goes on, we must go to have a very good harvesting in this place of bees, because we are going to arrangement which are going to do the work to look so good for human beings.
We are getting out of this place. We leave the work to be done. Next time we will come and visit the farmer and see how he has done the whole apiary, how he has installed the bees, and we wish him all the best.
Thank you.
And we want to restore the bee. Thank you guys. Keep on subscribing. See you next